Things you'll need for this basic tutorial. You'll need a bucket, a wire brush, some white distilled vinegar, and some rust protection. So you're going to take your rusted grind block and you are going to soak it in a generous amount of distilled white vinegar. You're going to take your grind block and then soak it in the bucket with the vinegar for about, say, 4 hours long. After it's done soaking, I forgot to film this part, you're going to scrub it with a wire brush. It comes off super easy, like within 30 seconds I scrubbed off everything. And after that, you are going to rinse it with distilled water. Don't use regular water because regular water has a lot of minerals in it and it just kind of defeats the whole purpose of you washing your grind block, because you're gonna just remineralize it and make it more prone to rust again. So after you rinse it, dry it off and spray your rust protection. I got this one at Lowe's for like $5. I just let it dry, and that's the tutorial. Like, if you don't want to spend like another $100 on some grind blocks, this is the way to go. Luckily, I was blessed with these grind blocks by one of my skate friends, and it was rusted. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to salvage this, and I'm going to show you guys how to salvage it too. It does leave some rust stains, but hey, it's usable. And I mean, hey, it's rust free.